We will not allow a vice president to be impeached by the House that itself under the shadow of economic treason amidst global turmoil. While you waste millions of taxpayers' money in fishing expeditions to pin down the vice president, the Filipino family is bleeding. To the district representatives of Cebu, atong mga congressman, mga pinili nato nga mga opisyal. The eyes of the province are upon you. The Cebu Alliance for Duterte 2028 hereby issues this stern final warning. We are no longer merely observing. We are documenting. As some lawmakers attempt to weaponize the 1987 Constitution to politically assassinate Vice President Sara Duterte, let it be known that any Cebuano lawmaker who signs this impeachment shams signs their own political death warrant. We are very serious. The Floodgate scandal, luggage bags versus justice. We are sickened by the blatant double standard of this administration. The brave 18 Marines, our disciplined soldiers, have exposed a rat that touches the very ceiling of Malacanang. Massive kickbacks from the 805 billion pesos flood control fund were delivered in luggage bags to the ruling elite. You know who they are. Their videos, their pictures are circulating in social media and internet. While Representative Saldico, Speaker Martin Romualdez, and the President remains untouched, the Independent Commission for Infrastructure has conveniently focused its crosshairs only on those allied with Duterte's, with linkages flying towards The Hague. The ICI is winding down its operations this March 2026, leaving the big fishes to swim free in the sea of stolen public funds. We will not allow a vice president to be impeached by the House that itself under the shadow of economic treason amidst global turmoil. While you waste millions of taxpayers' money in fishing expeditions to pin down the vice president, the Filipino family is bleeding.